The Schoology Google Meet LTI is now available for teachers. The purpose of this LTI is to create a Google Meet link in your Schoology courses for situations like e-learning days where you might need a Google Meet link created for students. We created a few resources. One is a Google Doc that shows you step by step how to create a Google Meet, how to end them, how to share them, anything you might need to know in order to start using that Google Meet LTI. We also created a document for kids that you can give to them that tells them exactly how to join a Google Meet in Schoology. And it's very simple. All they'll have to do is step 1 is to click on the Google Meet LTI section of their Schoology course, and then step 2, click join the Google Meet. It's that simple for them. I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can do this. In your Schoology course, on the left-hand side, down this gray toolbar, you'll see quite a few apps, and on the bottom, you'll see Google Meet LTI. When you click on that, you will be able to see the area where you can create your Google Meets. I have a few already created here, but I'm going to click New Meeting. From here, you can call it what you would like. You can add a description if you want to, so that way maybe your office hours are listed there if you have them, or just general directions for how to use the Google Meet. You can check the box if you want to set a specific date and time for starting and ending, but it's not necessary. There are some options to toggle on or off below that. Host must join before anyone else should be turned on, because as the teacher, we don't want our students to be able to join without us there. Then you have the host management, where you can choose based on your needs whether you want the kids to share their screen, send chat messages, send reactions. So that you can choose. I would probably for this situation only want them to be able to share their screen. If you want them to send chat messages for the purpose of the teacher, then that's fine. If you don't want that or you feel that's a distraction, leave it off. Another helpful button to toggle is the attendance tracking. If I check that on, that means they'll send an attendance and live stream report to the host by email once your meeting is over. This is very helpful if you want to know who has joined throughout the day, how long they were in the Google Meet, and maybe other artifacts that might have been shared during the Google Meet. Once I have everything created, all I have to do is click Save. Once you click Save, it will show in your list of Google Meet options. You might have different meetings based on your block or by your subject, whatever works for you. If you toggled on for it to be scheduled with a specific time and date, that would show up underneath here where it says scheduled. When you join a Google Meet, all you have to do is click Join. From here, you'll be able to see, just like you would a Google Meet normally, who is a part of your meeting. And then when you are ready to shut down your meeting, I'm going to click the hang up button, and I get two options: just leave call or end the call for everyone. We have it listed in the guidance document for using the Schoology LTI for Google Meet. You have two options. If you just leave the call, that means the host leaves the call, allowing participants to stay in the Google Meet, which isn't recommended if you have students in there. Then the second option is to end the call for everyone. The host leaves the Google Meet and it removes everyone out of the call. So it doesn't matter if there's a class full of kids. If you end call for everyone, it will kick everybody out of the Google Meet, and they will not be able to return the meeting again unless you join first. I'm going to end the call for everyone. And it says you've ended the meeting for everyone. And if it was a student perspective, this is what it would look like. On the left-hand side of my class as a student, I could click Google Meet. I will see the options for the different Google Meets that might be scheduled that I am a part of. So I click Join as a student. It will ask me to confirm. I'm going to click Join. It says no one else is there, so I'm going to click join now so you can see that it shows waiting for the host to join. I cannot join as a student without the teacher being there already. If I'm in the Google Meet as a teacher, I can see the students that are in it. If the teacher hangs up, I'm going to end the call for everyone. It shows that I've ended the meeting. The student will see this. Your host ended the meeting for everyone. I won't have an option to rejoin. I'll only have an option to return to home screen. Even if I entered the nickname for the code and click join, it says no one else is there. I go to click join, and again, it tells me to wait for the host to join. So it's a safe, secure way to create a Google Meet link for students to participate in if you are in a virtual situation. If you still have questions, please reach out to your ILC and we'd be more than happy to help.